Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we shall start the topic related to utilization of chemical additives. First of all, we have to differentiate among some definitions. Then we will discuss remaining part. So first of all is contamination. Contamination means as addition of anything in food during processing without your intention. For example, soil, stone, metallic pieces, plant material, microorganisms, and pesticide residues. Whereas adulteration is known as addition of anything in food during processing with your own intention but to get extra profit. For example, water in milk, stone in spices, low quality fat in superior quality fat. Now we shall discuss that what is food additives. Food additives is the addition of anything in food during processing with your own intention to improve the quality characteristics and shelf life of processed food product. Now we shall discuss different food additives one by one. At first we shall discuss food additives involved with quality characteristics or made known as non-preservatives. Out of these quality enhancers, first one is color improver. In color improver, some synthetic chemical includes dyes and lakes, along with some natural colors used, beta carotene, caramel, and chlorophyll. Moreover, potassium metabisulfite is used as bleaching agent in fruits and vegetables and its products, whereas hydrogen peroxide is used as same purpose in dairy products during packing in Tetra Pak. Moreover, benzyl peroxide bleaches out any residual natural yellow color in freshly milled wheat flour. Now we shall discuss flavor enhancers. Some of the food additives involved in the production of variety of flavors with the help of one or more than one compound for the development of single flavor used in enhances fragrance properties of different food products. Some of them are ethyl butyrate is the base of pineapple flavor, methyl anthranilate is used for grape flavor, isoamyl acetate is used for banana flavor, benzaldehyde is the base of almond flavor. Next is taste improver. For improving taste of food products, we may use sugar, salt, spices, acidulants. Acidulants having example of citric acid and some other organic acids. Moreover, some other taste improvers are low caloric sweeteners like of sorbitol and non-caloric sweeteners having examples of stevia, cyclamate, aspartame, and saccharine. Other is nutrition improver. In nutrition improver, we may use different vitamins like vitamin A, D, B, and C. And some minerals we use iron, calcium, and phosphorus. These minerals and vitamins we may use in form of fortification or enrichment. Fortification is addition of nutrients in food which are not present in the food or if present then in very minute quantity which could not give you any benefit. Enrichment just to increase the concentration of nutrients which is already present in that food. Some other quality improving food additives are involved in improving the functional properties of food product, out of which first one is fumigation used to improve the functional properties of whole or cut fruit and vegetable with the example of calcium chloride, calcium lactate and calcium phosphate. Second is stabilizer. Stabilizer is used to increase the water holding capacity in food products. Stabilizer may be divided into two further groups. Gel creator, examples are pectin, gelatin, starch and agar. Second is juice thickener. Juice thickener have examples of CMC, supercoal, xanthan and guar gum. And third functional property is emulsion. Emulsion means as mixing of two immiscible liquids. For example, oil plus water produce margarine, oil plus egg produce mayonnaise. Emulsifier used to maintain the emulsion. Lecithin or soy lecithin is the example used to maintain the emulsion for the longer time. Now we shall discuss preservatives as a food additives. First one is anti-ripening agent having examples of purifil and 2,4,5 triphenoxyestic acid involved in delaying the ripening process for extending the storage life of fruits and vegetables. Next is sport inhibitors with examples of malic hydride, technazine, profame, chloroform, phenyl carbamate, vapors of nonyl alcohol used to delay the sprouting problems, especially in root crops like of potatoes and others. Another preservative is antioxidants with examples of BHA, BHT, and propyl gellate involved in reducing the chance of oxidation in form of rancidity related problem, especially in fat containing foods. Fourth one is chelating agent or sequestrant used to bind the metal ions present in fruits and vegetables as well as in enzymes responsible for their browning during storage period of canned foods. Examples are EDTA, polyphosphate, and citric acid. Anti-chillating agent is another preservative used to reduce the chance of chilling injury by the use of methyl jasmonate, which have ability to store respective fruits and vegetable at quite low temperature without any quality disturbance. Finally, antimicrobials are also used as a preservative for the destruction or inactivation of enzymes and microbes during whole storage period. For example, potassium metabisulfite is used in fruit squashes, pickle, dehydrated products against the enzymatic activities as well as microbial destruction, whereas sodium benzoate is used in cooked products like of syrup, jam, jelly, marmalade, tomato ketchup for just reducing the further activities of microbes which spoil the product.